we'll do all the coins. So there's 3/4 of a kilo. Right, here we go. So we got nearly a kilo there. Well, we're nearly at 7. Look at that, past 7. It's going to be 8. Oh my god, look at that. 8. Look at that. 8, 2, 5, 7. Doesn't that look good? Pretty happy with that. I think that ashtray turned out really nice. It's actually quite nice. Pity my resin thing broke, but anyway. Turned into treasure. Look at it. I think it looks bloody good. Polish that one up nice. It's like a little map to the treasure. I might even polish this one up later, I'm not sure. Look at that. Doesn't look good. Anyway guys, if you like that, subscribe, like and all the rest of it. I really enjoyed that, and I reckon that sand casting come up nice. Here we go. Look at that. Turned out really well. It's big. It's a big one. Well, that turned out really well. Hope you got that. Hope you like that, guys. Right, I did measure them. So you got 190 ounces, 11.8 pounds, 5.36 kilo. So we'll leave it on pounds. 11.8 pounds. Alright, so I'll put this one here. That is a kilo. It's nearly 2 kilo. 2.5. Just gotta stack these good now, don't I? You can see what it says. I don't know if I do that. Just stack them like that. Look at this big tower of bloody ingots. There we go. Look at that. And what have we got? 6.5 kilos. Or if we go ounces, 230 ounces exactly. 14.3 pounds. 6.5 kilos. There you go. There you go, look at that. Woohoo! There you go. So there's the brass. There's the copper. Brass, copper, and then the lead. There you go, look at that. So going to weigh 3 kilo. Oh, look at that. It's 3 kilos. So that should be 3.5. That should be 4. There is 5 kilos. 5 kilos of copper. I'm not sure that this, I think the limit's 5 kilo on this thing. Yep. So that's 5 kilos. So there's 5 kilos there. And we add that one on top of 5 kilos. So 900, so it's nearly a kilo, that's 900 grams. So there's nearly 6 kilos. 6 kilos of copper ingots. Alrighty, we got our alright, here we go. So 976. Nearly 2 kilo, 1962. 2.940. 3.874. Oh, 4.5 kilo, there you go. So we got 4,553 grams. So what have we gotten? That is 160 ounces. 10 pounds. 10 pounds, there you go. Didn't realise it was 10 pounds. Oh gee, that's hot. That is hot. That is hot. Oh. So we get the slag off it. So the yellow bit's the zinc. So when you're pouring, you don't get it all on you. All right, it's ready. We're ready to pour. With the bloody little bricky things in there. It's cooling down pretty quick. Alright, you can see it's boiling. Look at that. It's bloody boiling. I'll show you my kiln in a minute. Alright, here we go.